look what we got today. Another online shopping. We have to pamper ourselves once in a while. And it's a bit hard to cut and make sure I don't cut whatever that is inside. And it should be alright. Right? Oh my god, it's so cool. Oh. Oh. 1, 2, and this one. Oh, I actually cut. Oh, I actually cut the plastic itself. Oh, guys. That was close. Oh my god. You know what this one, guys? Oops. Look. My YouTube jumpsuit. My YouTube jumpsuit. Very nice. From and what else I got? Tube bra. And I got something as well. The shopping. Oh. Oh, nice. Wow, look at the back and the front. And this is for summer, guys. Oh. So, it'll be like this. Right? Nice. I'm excited with my new jumpsuit. It's a tube one. Thanks, guys.